Remediation language, ownership, commitments and assurance. Business English. When something goes wrong at work, how you talk about fixing it shapes trust and outcomes. Accountability isn't just a label. It tells colleagues who is responsible and what will happen next, which reduces confusion and speeds recovery. Clear phrasing avoids accidental blame or vague commitments that leave others wondering who will act. Teams perform better when ownership is visible. People know who to update and who will make decisions. In short, using precise remediation language creates reliability, lowers friction, and builds confidence that problems will be solved effectively. To claim responsibility clearly, say, "I will own this," or "We will own this," so everyone knows who's accountable. Prefer active verbs like investigate, fix, coordinate to show the specific behavior you'll take. For example, "I will investigate the outage" sounds stronger than "I'll look into it." Add a brief scope to avoid ambiguity. Include the target and context, such as for the database outage or for the patch rollout. That combination, owner plus action plus scope, makes your commitment concrete and reduces follow-up questions. A strong commitment states a concrete action and a deadline. I will do X by date. Use measurable verbs like complete, deliver, verify, so progress can be tracked. I will complete the migration by Friday is clear and actionable. Avoid vague promises such as soon or we'll try, which leave stakeholders unsure about priority and timing. When you specify what exactly will be done and when, colleagues can plan around that timeline and hold the process accountable if necessary. Assurance shows you'll follow through and confirm results. Say you'll verify and confirm results. For example, I will verify the backup integrity and confirm when done. Offer a contingency plan using an if-then structure. If X happens, I will Y. This prepares stakeholders for possible outcomes. Use clear status phrases like, I'll update by EOD/Friday to set expectations for communication frequency. These phrases reduce anxiety by showing both follow-through and preparedness for alternatives. Escalation and handover must be explicit to avoid stalled issues. Say, if I cannot resolve, I'll escalate to name so everyone knows the next owner and timeline. For handovers, list what you'll provide. Handover document, access, and next contact. This ensures continuity and prevents repeated explanations. Also set expected response times for escalations. For example, I will escalate within 2 hours and expect a response within 4 hours. Clear escalation paths keep momentum and prevent accountability gaps. You can be direct and polite at the same time. Combine clarity with gratitude, e.g., I will investigate this. Thank you for flagging it. Use neutral language and avoid defensive phrasing that blames others. Stick to facts and next steps. Short sentences help international or non-native colleagues process information faster and reduce misunderstandings. Keep messages concise, respectful, and action-oriented so recipients feel informed and valued while knowing exactly what will happen next. Here are ready-to-use templates to speed clear communication. Try. I will action by date. I will confirm when complete. This states the task, deadline, and verification. If you might need help, use. If I can't, I'll escalate to name within, time frame. This defines the backup plan. For status updates, say, I will verify results and update by time. Thank you. This combines assurance and politeness. Copy these templates, replace the placeholders, and you'll communicate ownership and next steps confidently. Remember 3 essentials: claim ownership, state specific actions, and set deadlines so stakeholders know who's responsible and when work will finish. Promise verification and outline escalation paths so others can trust outcomes and know what happens if things change. Keep language simple, specific, and courteous. Short sentences, neutral tone, and active verbs increase clarity and reduce friction. Use the templates provided to practice. Clarity builds trust, speeds resolution, and keeps teams aligned when problems occur.